Hi everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet a beautiful flower granny square pattern. This classic design is perfect for making blankets, pillows or even bags, and it's beginner friendly. Let's get started. We will start with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times. And then I'm going to insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we are ready with our magic ring. In the first round, we are going to chain 1. So yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the chain. And then we will make 12 double crochets inside the magic ring. So yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring. Yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the first double crochet. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 double crochets. Like that we will continue. Now we have completed 12 double crochets over here, and then we will pull this tail tight to close the magic ring like this. And then I'm going to join the round. So leave a long tail and you can cut the yarn off. And then we will use the yarn needle to join the round. Now I'm going to insert the needle into the second double crochet here, not into the first one. This is the second one. So insert the needle into the second double crochet and we will thread the yarn needle and then pull it like this and then go into the last double crochet of the round here. After that, I'm going to run the tail through a few stitches to secure like this. Now we will cut the tail off and we have completed the first round. We can hide the other tail as well. Now just make sure that you have 12 stitches around. Now we will get started with round 2. There I am going to join the red color to complete the petals of the flower. So insert the hook into any one of the stitches around and then we will pull the red yarn through the stitch like this. And then I'm going to work over this tail on this round so that it will get hidden inside the stitches. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then we are going to work 3 treble crochets in the same stitch. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the very same base stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. This is a treble crochet. Again, yarn over twice, insert the hook into the very same stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 treble crochets. We need to make 1 more treble crochet into the very same stitch like this. And then to create the petal, we will take the hook out and then go into the 4th chain from the starting point. This is the 4th chain. And then we will pull this loop through the chain like this. With that we have completed the first petal. This is what it looks like. And then chain 2, one and 2. Then we will create the second petal into the second stitch over here. So work 4 treble crochets in the second stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now take the hook out and then go into the very first treble crochet here, and then we will pull the loop through the stitch. Now we have completed 2 petals. Chain 2 and create another petal into the very next stitch. There we need to work 4 treble crochets in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then take the hook out, insert the hook into the very first treble crochet and pull the loop through the stitch. Then again chain 2 and work 4 treble crochets inside the next stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then again go into the first treble crochet and pull the loop through the stitch. Again chain 2 and just continue the pattern like that. By the end you need to have 12 petals all together, separated by chain 2 spaces. Now I'm at the end of the round. This is the very last petal of the round. Chain 2 and then I'm going to join the round by working a slip stitch on top of the first petal over here. So go into the stitch on top of the first petal, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the second round. Chain 1, leave a little tail and you can cut the yarn off. Now we can use our yarn needle to hide the tail like this. This is what it looks like. Now we will get started with round 3. There I'm going to join the green color to complete the round 3 and 4. So we will go into any one of these chain 2 spaces and pull the green yarn through the space and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then we need to work 2 double crochets inside the same chain 2 space. One, Just make sure to work over the tail so that it will get hidden inside the stitches. Now we consider the first 3 chains as the first double crochet. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then we need to work 3 more double crochets inside the same chain 2 space. 1, 2 and 3. Now we have created the first corner of the granny square, and then we are going to go into each one of the next 2 spaces and work 3 double crochets in each one of the space. So we will go into the first chain 2 space here and work 3 double crochets, 2 and 3. Then go into the next chain 2 space and work 3 double crochets there as well, 1, 2 and 3. Now we are going to create the next corner of the granny square here. There we need to work 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3 double crochets and chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and work another 3 double crochets inside the same chain 2 space, 1, 2 and 3. With that we have completed the second corner. And then go into each one of the next 2 spaces and work 3 double crochets in each one of the chain 2 spaces. And then go into the next chain 2 space and work 1, 2 and 3 double crochets. Now we are going to create the next corner. There we need to work 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. Now we have created the third corner as well. Then again work 3 double crochets in each one of the next 2 spaces. And then create the last space of the granny square. Work 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. Now work 3 double crochets in each one of the next 2 spaces as well. And then we will join the round by working a slip stitch into the third chain from the starting point. 1, 2, 3. This is the third chain. Go into the third chain, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the third round. This is what we have completed, and then we will start with round 4 with the same color. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and work 1 double crochet into the very same space here. And then we will create the first corner of the granny square here. There we need to work 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3 and then chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and work 3 double crochets into the very same corner, 1, 2 and 3. And then we are going to work 3 double crochets in each one of these 3 spaces as well. So go into the first space here, work 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. Then again go into the next space in between the sets and work 3 double crochets into that, 1, 2 and 3. Again go into the next space here and work 3 double crochets there as well, 1, 2 and 3. And then we reach the second corner. There we need to work 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. and then just continue the pattern all around. Now I'm at the end of the round. After working 3 double crochets into the last space here, we are going to work one more double crochet into the starting space and then work a slip stitch to join the round. Go into the third chain and work a slip stitch. Now we have completed that round as well. Then leave a little tail for sewing and you can cut the yarn off. This is what we have completed. And then simply use the yarn needle to hide the tail of the project. And there you have it. Thank you so much for crocheting this flower granny square with me. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and feel inspired to use this pattern in your projects. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. See you next time.